Okay, so Chelsea she believes that there are 8 layers. So we can draw the 8 layers. And she notices that there are 9 cubes in each layer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 and 3, which makes 9. So I'm going to draw what she sees. So Chelsea sees the 9 cubes at the end of the prism as a layer. So she sees 9 times 8 is equal to 72. So I'm going to make sure I draw all of her layers. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 9 in each one. On the other hand, you have Stefan. Sees 18 cubes at the top of the prism as a layer. So 18 times 4 is equal to 72. Notice the number is right there, 72. They already found your volume for you. It needs to equal to 72. So this is how hers is going to look like. Okay, so each layer is divided into 1, 2, 3. I almost said 4. It's divided into 3. So there's 18 in each layer, and when you add 18 plus 18 plus 18, you'll get 72, or 18 times 3, you're going to get 72. And what she did was she added the top of the prism as a layer. So when it says 4, this is what she added as well. She added the top right here. So this part right here. You see that? Okay, oops. Now, the bottom. Juliana makes a prism 4 inches across and 4 inches wide. 4 inches across, 4 inches wide, but only 1 inch tall. She then decides to create layers equal to her first one. Fill in the chart below and explain how you know the volume of each new prism. So you're doing the same thing as earlier in the problem set. So I know that 4 times 4 times 1 is equal to 16. I'm multiplying 16 times 3 because there are 3 layers. And 16 times 3 is going to give me 48. So there are 48 inches cube. So each layer has 16 inches. 3 layers is 48 inches. I can't fit inches, so I'm going to put a little dot. For number 5, not 5, the number of layers 5, I have 4 times 4 times 1. Where does this number come from? It comes from the top, 4 inches across and 4 inches wide, but only 1 inch tall. Is equal to 16. I'm multiplying it times 5. 16 times 5 is going to give me 80. So 80 inches cube. So you have each layer is 16 And then you have 5 layers is 80 inches. For 7 layers, so same thing, 4 times 4 times 1 is 16. I multiply it times 7, which is going to give me 112. So each layer is 16. 7 layers is 112 inches cube. Okay, problem 4. Imagine the rectangular prism. The rectangular prism has 4 meters long, 3 meters tall, and 2 meters wide. Draw horizontal lines. Like I said before, horizontal is from left to right. Vertical is up and down. So I need to make sure I draw lines that are horizontal. It says right here 4 meters long, which is going to tell me the length. 3 meters tall tells me the height. And 2 meters wide tells me the width. Okay, so the length is 4 meters long. The height is 3 meters tall. And the width is 2 meters wide. So it has blank meters from top to bottom. It has 3 meters from top to bottom. You see that? Each horizontal layer contains how many? So I need to figure out, oh, why did I say 3? 4 layers from left to right. So right here, left to right, sorry. No, my bad. It has blank layers from top to bottom. There are 3 layers, I was right, 3 layers from top to bottom. Each horizontal layer contains blank cubic meters. So I need to draw my layers. I have 1, 2, 3. See that? So that means how many cubic meters are there? There is going to be, this one is 4, and this one is 2. So there's going to be 8 cubic meters, the horizontal layer right here. So I can show you. There's 4, and this is 2. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. The volume of the prism, so to find volume, I multiply length times height times width. 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is going to give me 24 meters cubed. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions and I can help you with that. This last page is if you want to look at the prisms, you can. So instead of drawing them out like how I did it, you can just, write it on here instead because it's already drawn for you. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day.